Isabella, what are you going to buy for dinner? You going to get fruits and vegetables? Oh, crazy driver. Oh, what are you feeling, Isabella? Oh, is that a ripe grapefruit? No, no good. No good, Daddy. Good job, Isabella. Straight to the Brochins. Crazy driver. Drives like her mom. Oh, Isabella. Oh, good recovery. Good recovery. Backing up, backing up. Yay! Oh, what's Isabella's first purchase? Crackers. Good girl, Isabella. Where are you going next? Oh, olives. Crackers and olives. Good choice, Isabella. Oh. What's next? She tried to pull all the yogurts off. Okay, Isabella, say bye-bye.